High cholesterol is a problem affecting millions of people worldwide today. This condition can lead to coronary artery disease, atherosclerosis, coronary artery disease, cardiac arrest, stroke, and death. However, cholesterol in the blood can cause pain in certain parts of the body, which is briefly explained in this video. Discomfort, pain, or suffering in the chest from cholesterol can cause heart disease and other circulatory problems. In medical terms, this is known as atherosclerosis. A chest is a common place for symptoms to occur, as it is close to the heart and has good blood circulation. The medical term for this type of chest pain is angina pectoris. Another possible cause of this angina is coronary artery disease. If you are overweight and have been suffering from jaw or neck pain for a long time without a clear explanation, you should check your cholesterol levels. Jaw and neck pain may be a sign of poor circulation to the brain. The common carotid artery is the starting point of the common carotid artery, which supplies oxygen to the brain. Leg pain, especially when walking or exercising. Peripheral arterial disease, PAD, occurs when cholesterol builds up in the blood vessels that supply nutrients to the bones. Symptoms such as numbness and pain in the legs are signs of this disease. High cholesterol levels require action. The recommended interval between checkups is at least once every 3 months. Regular physical activity is also necessary to maintain a healthy weight. Reduce trans fatty acids and consume more vegetables, fruit, and polyunsaturated fatty acids.